parang ang ginagawa lamang ng Pangulo ay for optics, for show. Bakit ko po nasabi ito? Unang-una, okay, imbestigahan natin ang mga contractors. Ngunit, it takes two to tango. And in the... So, ang stand po ng PDP regarding the ongoing flood control investigation, so-called, being headed by no less than the President, is that, of course, we welcome any investigation on any government anomaly because good governance and anti-corruption is number one in our platform of government ng PDP. However, such investigation must be an honest-to-goodness investigation. Dapat sincere. Ang problema mo, sa nakikita namin ngayon, parang ang ginagawa lamang ng Pangulo ay for optics, for show. Bakit ko po nasabi ito? Unang-una, okay, imbestigahan natin ang mga contractors. Ngunit, it takes two to tango. And in the case of the so-called floodgate, it takes more than two to tango. More than the contractors, unang-una tignan po natin yung DPWH. Hindi po ba ang DPWH ang gumagawa ng disenyo? Hindi ba yung BAC nila, yung Bids and Awards Committee, ang nag-approve ng mga bids? Hindi po ba DPWH ang nagde-determine kung completed yung project according to specifications? Why look at only the contractors? And why look only at specific contractors? Hindi ba 15 yung binigay na listahan ni Pangulong Marcos? And there are reports, I'm not saying these reports are true, that some of those contractors have links to members of Congress, not only members of Congress, but the leadership of the House of Representatives. Bakit hindi tinitignan yung anggulong yun? Bakit hindi inimbestigahan yung district engineers ng DPWH? Alam naman po natin, wag na tayong maglokohan. Ang pumipili ng district engineer ay yung mga district representatives. Diba? Bakit walang iniimbestigahang DPWH official? Bakit walang sinususpending DPWH official? Yan ay under ng Executive Department, under ni Pangulong Marcos. Bakit hindi tinitignan yung may mga sinasabing links sa mga miyembro ng House? Dahil ba ang anak ni Pangulong Marcos ay miyembro ng House? Dahil ba ang pinsan niya, the Speaker, is the leader of the House? So, ito po yung mga magtataka kayo. Number 2, yung offer ni Mayor Benji Magalong, kasama lang natin nung Sabado, to investigate. Nag-o-offer yung tao. Bakit ni-reject? Natatakot ba sila na hindi kayang kontrolin si Mayor Magalong? Sapagkat nung Board of Inquiry ng PNP on the Mama Sapano Massacre, yan po, makikita ninyo ang role niya. If you watch my movie, Mama Sapano, sa Netflix, it's still showing. May libreng plugging na rin, pasensya na kayo. Pinakiusapan po si Mayor Magalong na wag nang idawit ang pangalan ni Pangulong Aquino doon sa primarily responsible sa Mama Sapano. But nonetheless, at the risk of his career, he was on the inside track sa Chief PNP, sinabi pa rin niya, it cost him the chiefship of the PNP. At doon lumabas yung kanyang famous saying na sometimes you have to choose between career and conscience. When you retire, your career is over but your conscience stays with you for the rest of your life. Takot ba sila that Mayor Magalong will call it as he sees it? Gusto ba nila ang nag-iimbestiga? Congress, sila mismo Hindi po pwede. Kaya tama yung mga calls for an independent third party na mag-imbestiga. Ngunit, mukhang hindi sincere. Kaya po kami sa PDP, nananawagan po kami kay Pangulong Marcos, reconsider Mayor Benji Magalong. Siya po, sa kanya may tiwala ang mga tao sapagkat alam na wala siyang ibang agenda rito. Instead of shooting the messenger at tutulig sa inila si Mayor Magalong, sasabihin nila, ikaw ang magsumiti ng ebidensya. Bigyan nyo ng power si Mayor Magalong to gather evidence. Yes. Create by executive order a board of inquiry. Give it powers para to get to the bottom of this. Ang interpretation ni President Marcos to get to the bottom of this, nagpakuha ng mga divers daw to get to the bottom of it. Sinabi, manipis, etc. Hindi naman kinuha ng litrato, wala namang ginawa, then ililihis nila. Pipili siya ng mga kontraktor. Nasa tingin namin, yun ang walang link sa mga nasa house. Yung mga contractors na sinasabi na may link doon sa mga, alam naman natin yan, open secret naman yan. Bakit hindi tinuturo? Ba't hindi pinagpapaliwanag? Yun po ang problema namin. So, we in the Partido Demokratiko Filipino are calling, number one, stop the optics. Stop the show. Stop the showbiz. Honest to goodness, sincere, good faith investigation led by a person of unimpeachable integrity. Si Mayor Magalong yan, bigyan nyo ng mga members yung kanyang komisyon na talagang wala rin na agenda, mga retired justices perhaps. Yun ang maganda. Yung hindi kayang,
mga ex na nabibili.
Yan. Yun ang tignan natin. Kilala naman po natin kung sinong may integrity, sinong may probity, sinong wala. Yung may tiwala ang tao. And number three, let the hammer fall where it may. Huwag tayong mag-single out ng kung sinong contractor. Lahat po, imbestigahan natin. Number four, yung mga under po sa executive, yung mga DPWH personnel, isuspend muna, and then kung guilty si Bakin, mag-lifestyle check. Madali naman po yan the buck stops with the president. Mga tao niya yan, mga executive officers niya. He's the chief executive. He should be responsible for them and he should discipline them kung talagang sincero siya. Napakadali po. The powers of the presidency are vast. Kung talagang gustong malaman ang katotohanan dito, kayang-kaya ni Pangulong Marcos. All we need is a strong leader. Salamat po.